UPS rack where the power comes in. All your protection is here, your surge protection, your trip connect, your breakers and everything.
Okay.
And then from there it breaks off. So your cables will run through from there to the rectifiers by the red blue cables. The cable, the rectifiers, which charges the batteries. Then your DC cables comes over. This will be a radio sitting here.
Oh, let me get this here, okay. Oops, sorry. So the DC cables go up above here then, correct?
On top. You can see where the feeds are. These feeds is for radio. Okay, there'll be a radio standing here.
Okay, so that's the DC power for
DC power, yes.
for the radios.
Okay. And you'll see you'll have a couple of DC power cables hanging up here. Because they'll still install the radios or racks where they can connect them up.
Yeah.
And if you look at a typical cabinet, which is pretty fast. You've got an A feed and a B feed. This is a PDU.
Okay.
Your DC A and B rectifiers will come into it. Okay. And then all your radio equipment will sit in the rack itself.
All right.
So I will take off from the separate breakers. You'll have a main breaker and then your separate breakers to take the equipment.
That's your main feed. So where are those? So you see
There's already good cables coming in. So sets of cables already coming in. These are just extra cables for extra racks.
So these are two feeding
that. Why that one is low like that? Usually they got the big radio. The Huawei radio, the Motorola radio sitting at stand. That's the main radio. And then from there they got your switches and your modems and all that stuff in the cabinets.
So the switches and modems go in this cabinet here. Okay. And so then your DC power comes in either as rectified power or battery backup into this cabinet.
It's both. Both.
It's the same, yeah.
Once you switch it over to battery power, automatically on the same cable.
Okay, so this is your A feed here.
what device called
Power comes from there.
Yes.
Power just comes through here and your rectifier gets controlled. This is a different rectifier. This is your main module here. You can go up and down and scroll through it. It tells you now it's charging at 54 volts. It's got no load amps at the moment. Okay. System voltage is 54 volts. Load current is 0. Okay. Battery current is 4 amps at the moment because the batteries are drawing. Okay. Rectified current is 4 amps, which is given. Okay. Temperature is 32.7 degrees Celsius. Okay. Room temperature is 20.7. Battery capacity says 100% at the moment, which is not actually, it's not a true reflection, but it's okay. It's just got settings where you can set a couple of things.
Okay, great.
I removed the one module because when we switched on it popped.
Okay.
Brand new site, typical. Some new equipment sometimes is popped.
Okay.
And what they also do in the containers is all your little books are there and everything for the aircons. This is typical, 2 aircons. One aircon will run at a time, you see one aircon running. And then the aircon swap automatically to the next aircon. So there's a one break in the next one. I can't do an aircon swap. This one does the one aircon switch off.
So now, those are transformers that I'm looking at right now,
There's
correct?
a 3-phase transformer that comes in. What actually happens with a 3-phase transformer is a trip connector. What it actually does is, if you lose a phase, the transformer kicks over to delta and it generates a neutral. It generates power from the delta and the neutral. So you can lose up to 2 phases, use one phase and then neutral, this will generate your power for the 3-phase for the rectifier.
So it comes in, currently it's a Y configuration, and if you lose a phase then it becomes a delta configuration. Okay.
On this particular site it cannot do it because it needs an ATS module.
Yeah.
The ATS module is actually the machine that kicks it over to the
Okay, great.
We can typically run a site like this in single phase. Right? We can actually, what we do is put one phase in and put a neutral in here, and we start the other 2 phases out. Okay? Your rectifiers can run on a single phase because the modules run on a single phase. What actually happens here is you get 3 phases going into it, but the modules are divided up. Each phase will supply so many modules. So you can actually, if you've got enough amperage, okay, you can store it up and run it in a single phase, which is what it actually runs on. Unlike a UPS, some sites got a UPS, it's either 3-phase UPS or single-phase UPS. You cannot change that. With this you can change, you can play around.